This production is actually set in the Kennedy White House of the early 60s. And I think this is very smart because Rigoletto works on two levels. It's a tragedy, it's a very human tragedy of the character of Rigoletto, but also there is a deeply built-in social critique of a corrupt ruling class.
The character of Rigoletto is the court jester who is the jack of all trades, but he's very much always beholden to the Duke, who in this production is John F. Kennedy, actually. He's trying to please him, to try to facilitate his trysts with different women, and at the same time he's trying to balance his relationship with the courtiers who are always taunting him. He has a daughter, Gilda, who is very much his pride and joy, and he tries to protect her. He's never let her go out so that she doesn't know anything about the world, really. And the Duke follows her to church, one day, so now he's become very much captivated by her innocence, by her beauty. And then he has a sort of an affair with her behind the back of Rigoletto.
This isn't a critique of the Kennedys. It's sort of saying, this level of corruption can be present in any political regime. And it's, of course, a very relevant story today in our Me Too period of history.
She certainly has her honor somewhat, she's a bit humiliated. So Rigoletto then decides to get vengeance on the Duke.
Verdi's choice in subject matter and the way our society is moving today are very happy bedfellows. We as an arts organisation take the view that one of our purposes is to make our audience think about the society in which we live.
You experience something that is so captivating, so profound, so amazing that you have to say, wow, this is something that's really important in life, because it also takes you to the afterworld and what happens onward and when we're gone. Those are the emotions that keep living with us.